Dear viewers, welcome to Short Economics. Today we discuss on business economics and another important branch of economics. If we consider the term business economics, it is the latest terminology used in the present business organizations. This discipline in economics applies economic theories to the various business economic conditions and take business decision based on it. Based on this, we can say that it is an applied science in the sphere of business organizations. After the publication of Joel Dean's book, Business Economics, the subject gained popularity. Even the ideas from this branch uses for the formulation of economic policies in respect to the business firm. For that, they are making use of various economic theories, principles, laws, equations, and concepts, etc. Even various economists have various views on the business economics. According to Mansfield, business economics is concerned with the application of economic concepts and economics to the problems of formulating a rational decision making. So what Spencer and Seligman says about business economics, according to them, business economics is the integration of economic theories with business practice for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by management. On the other side, Douglas convey the idea that business economics is concerned with the application of economic principles and methodologies to the decision-making process within the firm or organization. We consider the characteristics of business economics. We can see that it is microeconomic in nature because it mostly deals with individual firms. At the same time, as we said before, it uses economic theories. We have to particularly mention that those theories are a realistic one. Many of the economic theories are theoretical in nature, not practical, but what we use in business economics which have applicability. Business economics has a normative characteristics because these information used interpret based on a particular outcome. Even sometimes it uses macroeconomic ideas to formulate policies. So in conclusion, we can say that it has macro nature too. The theories we use in business economics we try to implement in real life business situations. So practical in nature. To attain profit or gains, resource allocation plays a very crucial role. Economic laws, theories, etc. can make use of attain these goals. Here you can see the major difference between economics and business economics. Economics, it is a pure economics, the main branch of discipline. On the other side, business economics, it is a branch of economics. We called it as an applied economics because we apply the ideas in business situations. Majority of the economic theories and principles are theoretical in nature, but the theories we use in business economics, we apply it in the real life situation to solve the business issues or problems. Economics give equal importance to microeconomics and macroeconomics, but business economics give more importance to microeconomics. Microeconomics is a part of economics considered both individual consumers as well as firm. On the other side, business economics, its microeconomics part considered only individual firms. In economics, its microeconomic analysis mainly deals with rent, interest, wages, and profit, etc. On the other side, business economics deals with managerial economics related profit. So these are the major difference between economics and business economics. With this, I hope you got an overall idea about business economics. Thank you so much for your patient listening.